everybody, and welcome back to another video. So today I decided to make the world's smallest slime. So that was just a little clip of me putting in the glue. Now I'm going to add activator, and not that much because I actually tried a little batch before this and it was a total fail because I added way too much activator, which I'm glad I did that because it would have been just awful. So then I started mixing it up, and it is clear glue, so yeah, super duper exciting. I'm more than happy that I added clear glue, and I didn't even know I had clear glue. I just did. And now came the mixing part. So, as you guys probably know, when you mix slime, you gotta make sure like it's not sticky and stuff like that. Well, this slime was a little bit tough, and so was this video because it was so kind of close up. I had a hard time focusing, so sorry about that. So the next thing that happened was I added this is just some food coloring, pretty much. Not really food coloring. I got it from a craft kit that I had that I never used because it kind of didn't work. So that was what I used in this slime, and it is a pink. And I thought that this was going to stain the bowl. I was so terrified that it was going to stain the bowl. Whew, but it didn't, so that's good. Okay, so I needed to mix it in and make it look pretty nice. So in this video, I don't know why, but it made my slime look orange, and my slime is not orange, it is pink, if you're wondering. But later I add in the next thing, the sparkles. I added in some pink glitter that I've used this in slime before, and it makes it so much fun. So there's the pink glitter. Isn't it sparkly? I love it so much. I got it for Easter. So then I added that in, and so this is like, it's like hot pink sparkles with the orange slime, which it's not orange. Like, I don't know why it came up like that on the camera. While I was filming, I was like, what the heck? So anyways, now we mix. Do 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 do. So after I mixed the glitter into the slime, it turned into the smallest, little cutest, smallest slime in the whole wide world. And it's really cute, and I love it a lot, and I mean, a small batch of slime can go a long way or a very short way. So, yeah, but the slime was just so satisfying. I loved it. So I hope you guys loved this video. I enjoyed making it for you. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. And follow me on Instagram. You can just find me using my name. And you should be able to find me and follow me, and I'll post all about my videos there. See you next time.